Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. In this episode, I'm really excited to talk about one of my all-time favorite iPad applications, and that's Goodnotes. Goodnotes just came out with a new version called Goodnotes 6, which adds a whole bunch of new features. There's features that allow you to manipulate your notes without having to switch tools. There's different options for folders and notebooks. But the big thing that's new in Goodnotes 6 is AI-powered tools, which can fix spelling and grammar, change your tone, make things longer or shorter with typed notes, and even fix spelling mistakes in your handwritten notes and complete words using prediction in Word Complete. It's a really big update, and I'm really excited about it, but I know the one thing that is going to be on people's minds the most is the switch from a one-time purchase to a subscription. Now, personally, I think this is completely fair. I've used Goodnotes 5 since it came out in 2019. It is now 2023. That's 4 years I've been using this application almost daily. The cost of the subscription for Goodnotes 6 is $9.99 US dollars per year, but there's also a one-time purchase option for $29.99. And that purchase gets you access to all of the platforms, iPhone, iPad, and Mac, all of the AI features, and additional content available through the Goodnotes Marketplace. So in this tutorial, we're going to walk through everything that's new in Goodnotes 6 so you can decide if this is right for you. Let's start by installing Goodnotes from the iOS App Store. Tap or click on the Goodnotes 6 option. Now, I have already downloaded this app prior, so I have this icon here to download it again. And once this is done, let's open the app. First thing we see when we open the app is this splash screen. We won't spend a whole lot of time here. Let's tap the Next button. And new with this version of Goodnotes is the requirement to create an account. I'm going to use my Google account. Okay, and the next screen is going to ask if I want to sync all of my notes across all of my Apple devices. I'm going to leave that on and tap Continue. Then there's just a couple of questions here about how you're going to use Goodnotes. So which of the following best describes you? Student, teacher, other professionals, or none of the above? I'm going to choose other professionals. And then it asks what industry we're in. We've got agriculture, arts, construction, consumer goods, corporate services, education, energy and mining, entertainment. And if we tap show more, there's a whole bunch more in this list. I'm going to select media and communications. Now let's tap submit. Okay, so here's Goodnotes. It takes us to our documents and it's syncing all of my documents from iCloud. It's going to take a little bit of time to download that. So in the meantime,
that's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.